What has self-belief cost you? Let's explore this a bit more. Is something deep within holding you back from living life fully? Or do you often feel like a smaller version of yourself, wishing you had the confidence to pursue your desires? Do you experience self-doubt and find it difficult to truly love and accept yourself? Do you struggle with a sense of purposelessness, feeling lost or disconnected from your life's meaning? Do you feel like there is more for you, but you just can't break through? Do you sometimes feel overwhelmed by pain or stress or self-judgment, seeking a path towards healing and empowerment? I want to let you know that if so, you are not alone. Many of us struggle to step into our true potential, but it doesn't have to be this way. There is hope. Have you ever wondered, what has self-belief cost me? This question hit me hard when someone asked me. I blurted out, it cost me being a businesswoman. In that moment, I realized just how critical it is to believe in myself above all else. So, self-belief is like the roots of a tree. The deeper and stronger the roots, the stronger the tree. So, just as the roots help a tree to stand firm through the storms and seasons, self-belief grounds us, allowing us to grow, reach new heights, and face life's challenges with resilience. For many, this grounding force has been missing. But I want to ask you a question. What would you achieve if you unlocked the power of your self-belief? Imagine confidently speaking up at work, or building a stronger relationship, or finally pursuing that dream that you've been putting off. With self-belief, you'll find yourself navigating challenges and resilience, creating a life you desire, and feeling empowered every step of the way. So, building self-belief is key to your potential and a brighter future. You can step into your boldness and embrace a life filled with courage. Discover your purpose and align your life with your true desires. You can travel on a transformative journey of healing, empowerment, and self-discovery. Discover clarity and direction on your journey towards fulfillment. And you'll learn strategies to manage and overcome the pressures of everyday daily life. So, why do we embrace self-belief and empowerment? We can go through life carrying heavy burdens of self-doubt, unfulfilled dreams, and the feeling that we're not enough without even knowing it. That's why it takes boldness to explore healing and self-belief so we can unlock a life of courage, confidence, and true joy. By challenging or shifting our long-held beliefs, we can pave the way for more authentic, joyful, purposeful existence. So, healing means acknowledging past wounds and releasing past hurt. It means reconnecting with your inner self, and it means growing self-compassion and self-acceptance. Empowerment means discovering your own self-worth and letting go of fear. Defining success and happiness on your own terms and making choices that honors your true self. So through Boldly Become You, you'll learn to uncover your authentic self, break free from the external expectations, and discover the power within. You will learn how to rewrite your story, shape a future that feels exciting and fulfilling to you. You will build unshakable self-belief and develop tools to face life's challenges with courage and confidence. Create meaningful connections, form relationships that support and uplift you, both personally and professionally. And you will learn how to embrace your potential and step into your dreams without fear or hesitation. So, by focusing on self-belief and empowerment, you're not only addressing the past doubt and fear, but you are creating a bold new path for your future. It's time to step into your power and embrace who you are meant to be. If you would like to do the Boldly Become You Women's Workshop, we are starting on February the 3rd, 2025. And it is a 5-day workshop where you will discover your inner boldness. And here's what's in the 5-day workshop. Day 1 is uncovering the 3 common mistakes that prevent you from living in boldness. Day 2 is crafting the guiding light of your divine self, leading you to your higher self. And day 3 is discovering your deepest desires to unlock your true potential and fulfillment. Day 4 is delving deep. You will discover the obstacles that try to stand in your way and create a path to freedom. And day 5 will continue your journey and discover how to find a tribe that resonates with you and uplifts you along the way. So if you're looking to boldly become you, I invite you to the Women's Workshop on February the 3rd.